Worried about choosing the right managed services provider for your organization? With GSI Managed Services, you can offload any or all of your IT concerns to us and spend more time focused on growing your business. A partnership with GSI means we are with you for the long haul, helping to reduce costs and increase your margins, the ultimate win-win situation. But what makes GSI stand out from the crowd is our proprietary augmented intelligence solution, Genius AI. Genius AI is a service platform for providing round-the-clock health monitoring. Modules can be custom-built for almost any business application, and common admin tasks can be automated. Contact us for a full demonstration. So why choose GSI? We are your partner focused on your bottom line, not ours, and we respond quickly to issues, offer the most flexible plans with always available Right Shore support. We also offer our Genius AI service platform, have industry and system certified experienced staff, and back it all up with a 100% signature guarantee. You can reach us by calling 855-GSI-4ERP, emailing us info@getgsi.com, or opening an online chat at www.getgsi.com.